2020 Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi. What is that? Hemi, baby. Yeah, it's got stock converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. He didn't want a lot of drones, so we left that resonator on there for him. Then what we did is put a FLOWMASTER Super 10 right there, as you guys can see. Offset, offset. Part number 842518, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Beautiful little FLOWMASTER Super 10. Then what else we did was a resonator, rear resonator delete on each side, right there and right there, into 5-inch rolled black tips by 18s. Right there. As you guys can see, it looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. It's a Army edition. There's the two resonators and tips we cut off. There's the muffler we cut off. 2021 Ram 1500 5.7 liter Midnight Edition. Really clean, beautiful truck. What we got done on it is, I don't know. We have factory converters there and there. I don't know why it came out like that. Then it duals into a single here. Then 3-inch pipe. Then he got his own FLOWMASTER Outlaw. We put it on for him. He's been watching our videos for a while. And then you can, as you guys can see, we have to add an extension piece, a 3-inch pipe, because the muffler that comes on these is huge. There's a part number 15430S as in Sam. There'll be a link in the description for it. And then we left his resonators on. He didn't want it too loud. There and there. And then we installed some black 5-inch double wall tips. Really clean. Just fits that gap nicely. A lot cleaner look. There's the muffler. I don't know where the tips are. There it is. That's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it. Then it's the Bighorn edition. And it's a Hemi, baby. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. That's mine right there. I haven't done anything to it yet. Much better. That's nice. Woo. There's sound decibels. 103 FLOWMASTER Super 10 with 2 resonator deletes and 5-inch tips. See how it has that bite to it? Let us know what you guys think in the comments. We'll let you hear it on the inside. You want it louder?
That thing sounds good.
All right. Try it for a week or so and see how you like it. Again? That sounds so much better. Again? Right at 100. Go ahead and back it up.
Way better than 3.
Yeah. I don't know why they use 3-inch on
Yeah, that sounds
That
good.
sounds
You'll
so
be able
much
to hear
better.
it.
Yeah. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Let you guys hear on the inside. FLOWMASTER Outlaw. Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi. Can't go wrong with a Hemi. That beautiful blue color, one of my favorites, as you guys already know. And then the 5-inch tips, one of my favorites also, and I think you guys know that too.